Hey folks, I took one day off and left the paint shop for a trip to Berlin to IFA to check the latest tech and to have some fun. But as you might know, I'm also a lazy dude, and as I came back to my paint shop, I was left with this, and that's exactly what we have to talk about. And the worst nightmare for every custom painter is a spray gun with baked in color, and check this out. I have two airbrushes with exactly this issue due to my laziness. Also two spray guns, and guess what's inside? Super gooey paint. And yeah, maybe I found the solution to get rid of the paint super fast. So a parcel arrived, let's check it out. So I ordered this at Vevor.com, and Vevor is a company I like because their slogan is tough tools, half price. Quarter the price would be better, but half is also fine. And what's inside is an ultrasonic cleaner. It has nothing to do with Sonic the Hedgehog, but it's a kind of dishwasher with ultrasonic waves. And maybe that is the solution to clean my spray gun super fast. Let's check it out. Yeah, I'm blonde but not an idiot, and reading the manual is every time a good idea. But what's this machine? In essence, it's a stainless steel tray with a basket inside and an ultrasonic generator on the bottom. It has also a heating element, so it can heat up water as well. And the basket is needed because you shouldn't put these parts direct on the bottom because of the ultrasonic waves. So put your parts in the basket and then in the tray. And the capacity of the machine are 30 liters, and the power are 600 watt of ultrasonic power and also 600 watt of the heating element. And the only thing left to do is to put in the water, and then we can start cleaning. Okay, I filled the tank with water, so let's put it on. Can you hear the noise? That's the ultrasonic generator. Joke. So let's put in these two airbrushes. I won't dismantle them. I'll just put them in to check what happens. And can you see these clouds on the white airbrush? The airbrush is the white color. It gets loose super fast, and it was baked for 3 days. Looks super promising. So 20 minutes later, let's check it out. It's a bit hot. Oh. Yeah, but check this out, it's not bad. Most of the color got loose, so I guess another 20 minutes and I have a clean airbrush. So let's check the green airbrush. The color is still there, but you can wipe it off super easy with a cotton bud. So let's put the spray guns in as well. I removed most of the goo with paper towels, but of course it's not perfect, and as you might know, a custom painter needs a super clean spray gun, because if there's any color left, you will ruin the next paint job. So yeah, let's try it again. Let's remove only the cups, but let's put them in as well. And then let's clean all that shit for another 30 minutes. So let's check the spray. Wow, that's so hot. Wow, that's hot. Let's check these spray guns out. And is the ultrasonic cleaner the absolute solution? It's not, but it helps immense to clean these spray guns. Let's check out the cups. And do you know where the paint sits in the cups? Exactly here in this tube. And now let's check it out if it's clean or not. Yeah, and there's only a super small amount of black left, and it's super clean, nearly perfect. And it's also the same with the lid. Yes, they are not 100% clean, but it's super easy to clean them. The only thing I have to do is take a brush and brush the color away. And it's much easier than doing all by hand. And check out this airbrush, there was clear coat on the cup, and it's also easy to rub it with a paper towel. Yes, it's not 100% perfect, but it was super hard because it was baked in for days. And yeah, it's no longer that hard to remove it. Only by a water bath and some ultrasonic cleaning. And the good thing is, most of the goo sits behind the trigger. Let's check this out. Exactly here. And now it's all loose, and the only thing I have to do is I have to take a cotton bud and I can remove all the goo, which is now loose. Super cool. And the super cool thing is you don't need any cleaning fluids or solvents to clean your spray guns. The only thing you need is the water in the ultrasonic cleaner, because the cleaning process is not a chemical one, it's a physical one. The ultrasonic waves are reflected on the surface of the spray guns, also inside the spray gun, and that saves a lot of money. It's good for your health, it's good for the environment, and that's exactly the reason why I recommend an ultrasonic cleaner. Yes, it's not the all-in-one solution. You have to do some handwork, but that's much easier than before. And yeah, cool thing for me that I have this machine. And if you want it as well, check the video description. I will link it in the video description. And yeah, I will brush the rest of these spray guns in the ultrasonic cleaner, and then I'm done for now. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.